Nashville International Airport. Cloudy. The temperature was 74 degrees. Effective until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Alabama: Jackson, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Marshall, and Morgan. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. Severe weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 90 has been issued until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Jackson, Lawrence, Limestone, Madison, Marshall, and Morgan.